Howdy, Michael, a Mercedes guy here. And when it comes time to replace your tip in your soldering gun, you don't have to buy a tip. I'm using some number 12. I've stripped the insulation off. And then just a little bit off from the very middle of this piece of wire, and let's measure it just to help you out. 5 inches or so. Anyway, not quite in the very middle. I'm making a bend, and this is a pretty sharp bend because this is where the heat accrues, like so. Then you put on the nuts, and then you make a 90-degree. And into the gun. And now you're all set. Okay, so I've got my new tip in there, and then I'm going to take a file and just clean off that oxide from heating it up. And on the initial heat up, as you can see, there's some kind of finish on the copper, and we want to get rid of that. So my actual surface that I'm touching, the component I'm soldering, I just clean that off. Alright. Okay, now after many uses, this will burn out again. So I'm just going to cut this just to show you what you do when the wire burns out. You just cut that. Okay, so when it burns out, what you do is you take 2 pliers and you grab that with 1 pair of pliers and you use a second pair to twist that together. And you're ready to go again. And every once in a while you want to take a file and just clean the oxide off of the actual contacting surface. That way you'll get better heat transfer. Saves you from buying tips.